Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to factory reset, how to erase all data, Redmi mobile data you want to erase. You want to use Redmi mobile factory reset setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile factory reset setting one by one, step by step, and we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So once in your Redmi mobile you want to use factory reset setting, erase all data setting, so you can use. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Then tap here about phone setting. Scroll down here. Factory reset setting friends, tap here. You want to erase all data in Redmi mobile, so you can erase all data. Tap here. You can erase all data. You can use factory reset setting. Your Google account, contact, photo, video, music, download apps, SD card data, and friends other user data, everything will delete in your Redmi mobile. Before factory reset, first of all open your phone battery setting. Charge your phone at least 50 and 55%. You have 40 and 30%, don't use factory reset setting. First of all charge your phone at least 50% and 55%. Second, first of all guys, open your phone share me app, and you have your Google file app, so you can use your Google file app and you can use your share me app. And first of all click a send option and file transfer your important photos, document, file, videos, audios, file transfer. After file transfer, open your phone about phone setting. After my phone about phone setting, tap here about phone settings, scroll down here, open your phone factory reset setting, tap here erase all data, and you can erase all data in your Redmi mobile. Contact, photo, video, download apps, other user data, everything will delete in your Redmi mobile. And once you can search here factory reset setting also. Tap here search option factory reset setting, tap here factory reset setting. You can use factory reset setting, you can erase all data. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If in doubt, you have any problem in Redmi mobile settings, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends. So friends, I don't want to factory reset, but you want to factory reset, so you can factory reset. And friends, you can check your MIUI update, and you have your MIUI update, you want to update, so connect Wi-Fi and you can update. Bye.